Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Fuji apples. And Fuji apples were first harvested in Japan, and they're very, very popular still in Japan. They're also very popular in the United States. They're a cross between a Red Delicious apple and a Virginia Rawls Janet apple. Both of them are actually American varieties. They were first introduced to the United States in 1980s, and today the United States grows more Fuji apples than Japan, so they've really gained in popularity here. They're among the most commonly grown apples around the world, so Japan did it well when they came up with the Fuji apples. Regarding the characteristics of Fuji apples, they're a dense and crisp apple with a creamy white flesh. They're well known for the exceptional sweetness with a low acidity. They're juicy, firm, and they are crispy, so they are delicious apples. They are said to have notes of honey and citrus in the flavor if you have a fine taste buds and you're a real connoisseur of apples. Some people consider them to be the sweetest of all apples, and they do have a long shelf life. Regarding their best uses, like most apples, they're wonderful eaten raw, out of hand. Chop them up, add them to salads. They can also be cooked in a variety of ways. They can be baked, since their shape holds up well when they are baked. And they can also be roasted and even boiled. They work well in both sweet and savory dishes like pies, strudels, pizza toppings, quiches, sauces, soups, salads, curries, as a candy apple, and they can be even made into an apple wine, apple juice, and apple jam. Fuji apples pair well with sharp cheeses. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.